you should paint with me. You should grab your supplies. You should sit down. I post these every single Saturday at 8 a.m. Music. That's the thing. I've been writing so many songs. When we were in Bali, this is Bali, by the way. This is what I think of when I think of Bali. We were just in Bali for 3 months because I've said this before, but we sold our house. We moved 2 years ago and have been traveling around the world, different places. And we joined a world school for my son, Miles, who's 7. And we just spent 3 months in Indonesia, where we saw some of the most beautiful beaches ever in the world. And I mentioned that in the last video that we filmed. And so now I decided that's what I'm going to paint, because this is how inspiration works. I don't want to just teach you guys tutorials. I have hundreds. I want to teach you how you can cultivate your own creativity, how you can cultivate your own ideas, your own, like, I see this, I want to paint it, but also I have this vision and I don't know how to weave through that and put it on a blank sheet of paper or a canvas or a song or whatever. I want to help people be creative. I don't want to help people just follow rules and steps, because that is just barely scratching the surface of your creativity. I think that they're very valuable, and I think you should sprinkle them in throughout your week if you really need guidance, especially if you're just starting out. But to really cultivate this creativity that we all have access to, it's a skill just like anything else that can be learned and grown into and developed. In order to really cultivate that and develop it, you need to be aware that it is something that you can tap into every moment of every day. And all you need to do is train your brain to be more present. That's it. That's why meditation and breath work and yoga and all of these, like prayer, whatever your tool or format is for being more present or training your brain to be more present, is so good for your brains. Like, look at all the research. I'm not going to tell you. But it's so good for your brains, dopamine, all these things, rewiring neuroplasticity. But it's just how you unlock those ideas. If you want to be like, I want to just be able to sit down and paint from my brain or from what I see and know what to do, you need to cultivate this. And so I just feel like we've been in this like tutorial junkie phase for a while. And also I think that people are craving more, or need, and maybe aren't aware that they're craving, but their brain is craving more long form content, more like beautiful art-filled content that's not like, and I even hate saying the word content, but this is the world we live in now. Just craving more like beautiful, not so fast and salesy and like, I'm a guru, listen to me podcast style. I want it to be something that brings more calm, more peace. There's birds chirping around me. There's bees buzzing literally by my face. And we're in a beautiful setting. We're painting. This is what painting is about. It's about being in beauty, and then creating that through your abilities to spread more beauty. That's what art is about, and creativity. We are made to do it. Our bodies do it for us. Every single cell in your body is creating something right now. That's pretty crazy. Anyway, so I want to encourage, this is what I'm saying. The format of these videos is slightly changing. And so I want to encourage people to be more creative. I don't necessarily just want to create robots who can follow tutorials. I want to change people's brains because I'm changing mine too. And we're on this journey together because this is my YouTube channel. If you don't like it, you can go somewhere else. I know I got a little stern there. I got a little cracky downy. This is me now. I want to do this. And I think it is the most helpful I can be. So anyway, this is Indonesia. And I'm painting little tiny baby palm trees. And you're still gonna learn stuff. Like, I'm saying some really valuable things in here, I think, in regards to like what colors I'm using, and I haven't said that yet in this video, but I did in the one we did before this. But this is sap green and a little bit of Prussian blue. Also, this paper I got in Indonesia, so it just feels fitting that we are painting a little scene. There was a amazing, like so unexpected, amazing art supply store where we were staying in Bali. It was like filled with all the good stuff. They didn't have Princeton or My Mary because they're not that international yet. So that was sad, but I got some paper I've never heard of before. I think it's like Chinese paper. I don't know. Bao Hong. Sounds Chinese. And looks Chinese, but I'm not sure. Someone correct me. Anyway, it's great paper. Maybe Korea. Maybe not. Anyways, it's great paper. They had great paint there. So I've been like, you know, using different things a little bit. My love is still to Princeton. My love is still to My Mary and all of that. But you know, that's another part of being an artist. Allow yourself to explore. You got to. Don't be so rigid. Don't be so rigid. But I'm creaming up this green and Prussian blue. I don't know if that's a technical term, but we are not technical over here because we're self-taught. And just making it really thick consistency so I can do some more palm trees in the foreground of this little cliffy guy. But the thicker the better, because then that's going to make them more opaque, more forward. I can even add a little bit of black. And so that, my friends, is Jenna's journey. Jenna's journey, but I said Jenna's journey because it's funny. But Jenna's journey, this is Jenna's journeys, inward journeys, also external journeys. I mean, I've been literally traveling the world. So Jenna's on journeys. And I'm going to take you along some of these journeys. And we're going to paint together. We're going to be inspired together. We're going to find like ourselves in deeper ways again together, I hope. And I want to hear from you in the comments about it too. I want to hear about like what you've been learning, or maybe some aha moments from your ponderings, or I don't know, because all the thoughtful conversation, it's just going to make us more present in this time that we're painting together. So I didn't say this in the beginning, but you should paint with me. You should grab your supplies. You should sit down. I post these every single Saturday at 8 a.m. So sit down with your favorite beverage. That's probably going to be a latte or a flat white if it's me. And we'll paint together and we'll talk about life. We'll talk about the things that we're learning so that we can, while we're painting, be present for it, expand our brains, put away the distractions for a little bit, and just cultivate more beauty, presence, awareness, consciousness, whatever you want to call it, in our lives, at least on a weekly basis. But obviously you don't need me in a video in order for you to do it at home. So I encourage you to paint or to create something every single day, even if it sucks or even if you don't feel like it. All you need is 5 minutes, 5 stinking minutes to be more present and creative, and that does wonders for your brain. So that is all for today, my loves. I will see you in the next video.